In the first video, I talked about the definition of ICT and the types of ICT. The second video, I talked about the why we should use and how to use ICT again. Now, I'm going to focus on the drawbacks, the demerits, the negative effects behind using technology in our ESL or AFL classes. Number one, access issues. What do I mean by access issues? Because sometimes when you would like to use technology, some technological devices ask for internet connectivity, and some students may not have internet connection, and it's an issue. So here you think, are you going to change this technological device, or you are going to share with them your internet connection, etc. The second problem is technical issues. So you play the game, you play the video, and then there are some technical issues, okay? And when there are technical issues, that decreases the motivation and the productivity of your learners. So we as teachers, we have to think of plan B. In case I have got a problem, what is my second plan, okay? And number three, digital literacy. But here I'm going to focus on teacher training digital literacy, because some teachers do not know how to use ICT. So they need training about the incorporation of ICT. If you don't know how to use it, it's better not to use it, okay? Because you may use it and then you will have problems inside the classroom, okay? Another drawback is the emphasis on entertainment. We as teachers, our primary goal is learning and not fun. So we play games, online games, for having fun, but the purpose is learning. So please, don't use online games or online devices or technological tools in general for entertainment. Yeah, entertainment is good in classes, but the most important is, or the most essential thing is learning, okay? And the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 is the most serious drawback, which is distraction and noise. Some students take it as a golden opportunity when there is an online game, or when the teacher is using Kahoot or Bamboozle or a video. They take it as a good opportunity to chat, to socialize, and to talk about something else, okay? And here leads to noise. And the last one is lack of human interaction. That's why I said balanced approach. We have to use traditional with the technological tools. Because if you focus more on technology, your students will have lack of human interaction. Face-to-face is really important to develop students' ability or students' skills, like speaking skills, listening skills, etc. So as you see, these are some drawbacks that teachers should take into account before thinking about using technology. Now, as a summary, ICT means information of communication technology, and these are the most essential tips. Number one, as teachers, when you use technology, ask yourself, what's the purpose of my lesson? Why I have to use this technology? What added value is going to give to my lesson? And number two, the right age group. If I'm going to use this type of technology, is this type going to help this right age group? If I'm teaching children, not like teaching adults, so I have to use different technological tools. Number three, the right level proficiency. The right level, I'm teaching beginners, not like intermediate or not like advanced. If I'm using a long video, that may not suit the low achievers, the beginners. It may be good for advanced learners, and vice versa. The right number of students. If I have a large group, we will have this problem of distraction and noise. So I have to think about the number of my students. Small group, I may manage my class. Large group, I may have some issues again. And the right length of time. If it's a song, if it is long, I'm teaching beginners, it may not suit their level. If I'm teaching and using a video, and the video is a bit long again, this video may not help low achievers. And of course, the right content. The content should be simple, should not be difficult, and the content should not harm the local culture. For example, in Morocco, we can use songs for students to improve their speaking and listening skills. But if the song contains some bad terms that may distort the culture of Morocco, as a teacher, I have to clean that song. I have to modify, or I have to remove it and bring another song. So as you see, ICT is very important, but it is a double-edged sword. It has the positive and the negative sides. Thank you.